All I can say is just be a part of history. What history am I referring to? I'll explain. The history that I'm referring to is the initiation of my YouTube orbit. Hey guys, welcome back to the Dr. Tess 90210 show. Today marks day one of my 365-day YouTube video post. Now, from what I understand about an orbit, you post content daily, but I promise to give you guys quality content based on the information that you are following me to hear about, and that being information to help you with the optimization of your looks, your love, your health, and your wealth. Secondary to COVID, we closed the brick and mortar practice. We're changing the name. It's no longer going to be Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. And just to tell you how some things happen in life, just the timing. My mom became acutely ill right around the time that COVID struck. So closing my practice was appropriate. And now it looks like my mom is going to need 24/7 care. So as opposed to me having my brick and mortar office where I was able to take care of maybe 5 or 10 or 20 people a day, now I could address the medical needs and concerns and answer the questions of thousands of people on a daily basis. Why am I doing an orbit? Well, from what my mentor taught me, an orbit is an opportunity for you to really learn your craft, make mistakes. Hey guys, you know what? I'm not perfect, but I'm on this platform because I just want to help as many people as I can. So I said I was going to make this video brief, which means it's about time for me to shut up. But a daily orbit means that I'll be back to see you tomorrow, and a day after that, and a day after that, and a day after. Oh, hold on. Did you push that subscribe button? And after you subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know the things that you guys want to hear about. Gotta go. Love you all. Dr. Tess 90210 show. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow. Bye-bye.